my God. Oh, what'd you do, Eric? Break it? Oh, gosh. Did you break it? What did you do? Oh, yeah, you busted her up big time. I've never seen anything quite like this, Eric. Yeah, maybe a pair of needle nose would be good now. A pair of pliers or something.
Okay.
Then we can pull that through. It's December 13th now. Still planting trees. It's about 21 degrees right now. Pretty cold. But we gotta get this job done. Trees are on the ground, so we can't complain about that. So we're gonna get them planted. Big delivery yesterday, and we got the manpower here to move them. So we're gonna plant them up. So ground looks like it's frozen, but I'm thinking it's going to be not frozen once we get a couple inches into it. There we go. You can't even put the pin flags in because it's frozen. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, everything's so slow today. Joysticks feel like they're frozen. They're just like so stiff. Tracks are probably frozen. Yep, I think it was. She broke free. So this tree is gonna go right there. Oh man, yeah. About the top inch is frozen. Supposed to get up to like 35 today, so it shouldn't be a problem for too long. Still a problem right now. Where's Abby with that truck? I hope the shovels weren't there. What? I hope the shovels weren't there.
Oh, yeah.
Did I hit them? Oh, because I'm magic. thing's so stiff. That's what she said. Which way? How much?
3 inches.
3 inches? Yeah? You guys are ridiculous. I had to get the bucket. Don't make me get Aaron out here. Yeah, wouldn't we be doing all this by hand? We'd be digging the holes by hand.
We did one by hand for 40 days.
Well, that's gonna wrap up today's work. We got a whole bunch of trees in the ground. You can see stuff really isn't backfilled at all, like this area right in front of me. And this area over here isn't ready yet. So we're planting them high. The site guys are actually working. They're starting to dump piles down at the corner here and filling stuff in. So we're kind of working in between them. and on top of them, and they're working on top of us. And well, you can see this curb is like probably this is about 18 inches low. Trees have got to be, you know, flush with top of the curb, so we're planting them high and then just kind of backfilling around them as we go. And the site guys will finish up backfilling all this in. Gotta wrap up today. Avi wants to go home and go to bed. He's very tired.
You talking with Vikas?
Yes,
What you
he's up here. He's looking at you right now. Okay, good night. See you tomorrow. What I do what? Who ate part of my cookie?
Well, I almost put in the dumpster that was over there.
It's up there. What do you mean? Why did you put it in the dumpster?
No, I know that over here I put. It's always the same as the thank you. Oh, you put in the dumpster in the trash. Now you tell me what's the heck? Tomorrow I'm gonna pick up the garbage, put inside the cap.
Watch it there, Hanky man.
What is that?
We'll be done here in a minute.
Yeah, first time because Big Boss gave me the address, this address, the Tirval one.
How the hell do you get it?
Yeah.
How the hell do you get in this place?
No, I got over there, the resident house, Tirval one. And then I called from there, the Aaron, and Aaron gave me another address. I got over him.
Yeah, this place is kind of ridiculous to get into.
When I was in Buffalo, I came from there, Buffalo over here. Then I know from this way to come. I better type the another Northtown Center. I send me the live visit over here. I type his address, man. Silver one residence house.